Hello everyone, it's Kari from sunshineinmypocket.com. Today I'm bringing you a little sneak peek at something very cute that's coming soon, and I wanted to just make a card with you and show you some of the items that are coming in the future March Crafty Crew Kit. Now this is just a sneak peek of some of the images that are coming. There are a whole lot more, and this kit is adorable, and I had to share it with you because I really fell in love with it. Today I'm going to color up one of these mice, just this one here, with some warm grays, and then I'm going to color up the scissors with some cooler grays and put a card together. Now I don't have everything yet from the kit. This is just a little sneak of something, but what an adorable sneak peek it is, right? The kit is going to come with a lot more, a couple of stamp sets, a stencil, some pattern papers, and I will be showing you a full unboxing really soon of everything that comes with it. But just to give you a little sneak, you have until February 15th to pre-order this kit, and then the kits will be shipped out by March 1st. So this is the March kit. I'm going to list the link below so you can go take a look at the kit and get your pre-order in if you want to. So let's take a look back at these adorable images. This one that I'm coloring, he's got some scissors. I'm going to use that sentiment right to the left there that says crafting is my love language. So true. And then look at the other mice here in this sneak. One is in front of a bunch of markers or colored pencils and a paintbrush. There's one sitting on top of a little Cricut machine or a digital cutting machine. There's quite a few really adorable sentiments as well, and there's one that you can even stamp on the back of your cards, and I just love it. I love this whole crafty theme. It's really awesome. So you can see that I colored up that mouse with some cool grays. With some warm grays. Now I'm going with the cool grays for the scissors, just to give it a little look of metal. And I'm coloring this up quite quickly. It's going to be just some simple coloring, just so you can see that this is, it just comes together so cute. I'm going to color the handles of the scissors in pink. I've got Valentine's on my mind, and this could easily turn into a Valentine card. So pink it is. I'm just bringing in some bright pinks here and blending them out with a more muted shade of pink. This is the R81. Then I'll add a little more to his ears just to make those pop. For his little outfit, I'm going to color those pants up in brown, and who can resist a little mouse with some brown pants? I don't know. It's giving me a little bit of Cinderella vibes here too, so I think this would be a really cute Cinderella card or a princess card. For his shirt, I'm going to color up the shirt in greens and just using some light lime greens and blending that all through just like that. Now to create this card, I'm going to fussy cut this little mouse. There's a little close-up of this cute little guy. He's kind of winking. He's so cute. So yeah, I'm going to cut him out. First, I'm going to add a little bit of gel pen details just around his eyes, nose, on those scissors to give it a little glint. And he's ready for helping. So here we go. Just going to follow that around. It's pretty simple to fussy cut. So I'll do most of this off screen here. And for the background, I'm just going to pull in a stencil I had in my stash, just some hearts. This stencil is no longer available. You can use any hearts that you have. And I'm just going to tape that to the back of my panel and add some hot pink ink. I've got both Kitsch Flamingo and Picked Raspberry Distress ink here. That's what I'm going to use for these hearts. And once we've got this all inked up, we're ready to put this card together. Now you can see I've cut a couple of hearts out from some of the pattern papers that will come in this kit. I've also cut a frame out of pink shiny paper just to add a little bit of extra there. And I decided I want this heart to be a little brighter. Now, it's hard to tell. There are some little circles on this heart. It's a really great design. I decided I wanted it a little darker, so I'm going to take some of that ink and just ink around the edges of this heart to really make it pop. There we go. That's going to add just the right amount. And now we can go ahead and put this all together. So I'm going to line this up and see how I like it. There are buttons on that second heart that I've cut out. And I'm also going to fussy cut out this crafting is my love language sentiment. I just bubble cut right around that sentiment. Now I'll just add a little bead of glue on that frame and then add that to my card panel, just like this, lining that up right around the edge. And then I'll add those two little hearts. I've got the inked heart in the front, and so this one with the buttons on it, I put right behind that. And then I'm going to pop that little mouse up with some foam dimensional adhesive. So he's going to have quite a bit of dimension. He's going to pop right up off that card. So I'm just going to cut some foam adhesive down here. Want to make sure that I get some foam adhesive on each of those scissors so that those don't fall, and then also on his little feet here. So I am cutting some really small pieces just to make sure I've got him all covered. I'll remove the backer to the foam adhesive and pop him right up just right there, maybe a little off to the left and the sentiment to the right, but I decided I liked him a little more centered. So I'm going to move him over and then glue that sentiment right beneath him. So you can put this where you want to. You can put it up here or down here. I liked it right underneath his feet. So that looks really cute just like that. Now all there is to do is to add this panel to a top folding card base. So I'm just going to add a little bit of glue, attach that to the card base, and we'll have our card. I did decide that it needed one more thing. So I'm reaching back into my stash to pull out some sequins, and I'm going to glue a few sequins in a kind of blush pink, just a little bit around the image on the top and on the bottom left here. So I'll add those, and these are nice and shimmery as well. So add a little bit of sparkle to our card. There we go. And that's all there is to it. Isn't he cute? Here's a little close-up of that cute little guy. You can see the sequins glinting in the light and that outside frame as well. And there you go. That's our little card for today. I hope you enjoyed the sneak peek at the Crafty Crew Kit that is coming real soon. Click the links below to check out all the details about this kit, and I will have an unboxing that I share real soon as well. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you real soon with more card making inspiration. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.